Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to log out Viber using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for Viber. Okay? So now just go ahead and click on the login option. And now just go ahead and log in your account. And once you've logged in your account, you can see the log out option here at the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, so just go ahead and click on that. And now your account is logged out. Okay, and that is how you logged out your Viber account on computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you at the next one, and have a great day.